up, YouTube? We got the Mustang back on the channel. It's been just washed her up, not very good, but she's washed up. Got some channel updates, I think. But this is her right this moment. It's gonna bring us to the point of this video here very quickly. But so if this is your first time around, I just gotta say, I got the fleet assembled. Oh damn it, I can't do that. To edit that. But we got the old fleet assembled, and gonna be doing some stuff, but channel updates. One of the reasons why I haven't been putting out anything is well, I've had life kind of get in the way. First of all, we got concrete. There used to be dirt there. It's great. This is the first time I've been able to wash my car or any vehicle without getting muddy. It's super awesome. So that set me back probably about $4,400. Then if we come over here, right there, the old what's left of the stump there, my homeowner's insurance is trying to cancel me because we had a tree leaning over the house. I'll try to insert a picture of that thing. But it was leaning over the house that way, and they said, yeah, we're not going to keep you on board if that's going on. So the concrete's been done for probably about 3 weeks now, and I'm going to run y'all up here so I can show you what we had going on up here as a result of the tree. Hang on. But because of the tree being where it was, we had some possums take advantage of the situation, and they would come up from over there, scurry on up over here, and somehow, one way or another, burrowed a hole in there. It probably weren't too hard for them. So we got a guy coming out in the morning, gonna fix that. It'd be about $600, I think, or more. But that's the rough quote. And so yeah, that's kind of what's been going on behind the scenes. So last video, I introduced y'all to the Twinkie build or truck or whatever we're gonna call it. I haven't managed to do much with it because of those expenses out there. I mean, the concrete was just a must. This property had zero concrete. We're gonna work on getting more in the next couple months, but that's what's important for me as a homeowner. But anyways, concerning the channel, I'm gonna keep building stuff, modding, whatever you want to call it, modifying, working on stuff. I've done a little bit of work to the Twinkie here, not much. I removed all the chrome. We've already determined she's a rust bucket, so we're gonna get new doors, new fenders. Just gotta get the body work done on this thing. Gonna need new glass. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice build when we get it there. I will state for the record, this will be one hell of a slow build. So if you have tuned in, if you have subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate it. And if you like the content you're seeing, please like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate it all. I really do. But we're gonna get on with the rest of today's video. I've been at such odds with wanting new wheels for the car, and I couldn't help myself. I went and did it. I actually really do like the performance pack wheels. I really do. I like them a lot. But anybody who's owned a set knows how hard they are to clean. That's probably the major drawback to those things. So we're gonna go ahead and drag out the old jack and show y'all what we got going on. Those of you in the Mustang community, you know who Late Model Restoration is, what it is, what they do. That's where I got them. Came as a nice little package. That's what I got, and that's where we're at. So you can flame me, hate me, whatever, but it's what I got. I like them. I'm dying to see them on the car. So let's get to it. All right, so right there on the right, performance pack wheel, stock. Right there on the left, new wheel and tire. I just kind of wanted to set them side by side and see the difference. It looks like the new tire's a little bit lower, but it's definitely wider. Most definitely. But let's put her on and see what she looks like. This guy out of the way. And supposedly, according to LMR, these are lighter. The wheels themselves are lighter by about 8 pounds. We shall see. Alright, without further ado, new wheels. I know a lot of people run them, but they're the ones I wanted. Oh man, let's bring you all over here. That's the SVE R350 wheels. They look really good to me, and I'm hoping they look really good on the car. I can see that some caliper paint is going to be in order here pretty quick. Good. All right, pause, we'll be back. Yo, I'd say it looks pretty good. Definitely gonna need to update the calipers though. It's show a lot more. Yeah, we'll have to get some new caliper paint, clean them up, make them look good. But I mean, my first impression, I'm in freaking love, and I made the right choice. As far as wheel combos go, it came with everything. It came with a set of black splined lug nuts, and spline, so they're all spline drive. It's supposed to be self-learning TPMS sensors, so no need to go to Ford to reprogram them. Damn, that looks good. Let's do the back. Since we're talking real quick, that's how they come packaged from LMR in all these boxes here. And that's how you get it. You tear that off. Let's see the difference. This is just a curiosity thing for me. I do feel like they sit a little bit lower. I think I'm gonna have some thinner gap. But let me get that spacer off right quick. There's a new one on. problem. Let's get this out the way. Rotational, so here we go. Okay. Alrighty. Lower this bad boy down and see what we got. Y'all, I'm in love. I love that. That's a freaking great look. Oh. Alright, we just gotta finish up the rest. Alright, we got her all done. Got it running. Probably gonna take y'all for a test drive with me. Ah, hell. I got a new, well, I say new, modification, small. It's been sitting on my couch. God, you can't even see it. Still can't see it, man. I got a modification. It's been sitting on the couch probably about a month. Oh, she smells so good. That I want to go ahead and try to get installed tonight. I got no time tomorrow.